Alright you guys, let's make some pom-poms. First you're going to grab the color and thickness of the yarn that you want with some scissors and just wrap it around your hand multiple times and then wrap it some more. The more the merrier. Cut a piece that's about 6 to 8 inches and tie it off in the center. Make sure it's very secure because this is what's holding it together. And then just trim off the side pieces. And start trimming down the excess. Less is more, and then eventually you'll get to your circular pom-pom that you've been wanting to make. Here's the final product, you guys. I ended up going with 3 different colored pom-poms, a few different textures, and I secured them with a separate piece of yarn. You could have used that piece you tied off originally to be the hanging piece, but I wanted to be a little extra, and I love how it looks. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and make sure you stay tuned for the next one.